the triangles and the properties. Now, what is a triangle? A triangle is a closed three-sided polygon. In the figure, adjoining figure, PQ, QR and PR are the three sides of the triangle. P, Q and R are the vertices. Now, what is a vertex? Vertex is a point where the two rays or lines meet. This is known as the vertex. In this case, vertex P, QP and PR, they meet at point P, therefore they are forming a vertex. Now, PQR, PRQ and QPR are known as the angles. If you extend QR or any side of the triangle, in this example I am extending QR to QS. So the angle so formed is known as the exterior angle. The classification of triangles, if you come on to the classification of triangles, we classify triangles in two ways, is according to the size of the angles and according to the sides. When we classify according to the measurement of the angles, the triangles are three types: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Acute, as you all know, is an angle less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. So acute angle triangle, in this triangle all three angles are acute, that is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is obtuse. And what is an obtuse angle? Angle greater than 90 degrees. Greater than 90 degrees. And right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degrees. Now, then we move on to the classification of triangles according to the measure of the sides. According to the measure of the sides, triangles are again of three types: a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and an equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle, all the three sides are unequal in length. Two sides of a triangle are equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, it is known as an isosceles triangle. Now, in an isosceles triangle, the sides which are equal, the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. In this case, AC is equal to BC, therefore angle ABC will be equal to angle BAC, because the angle opposite to AC is B and angle opposite to BC is A. This is an isosceles triangle. The property is the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. And an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal, and the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now when I move on to scalene triangle, the three sides are unequal, and in this you have to remember the larger side has the angle opposite the larger side is larger. The angle opposite larger side is larger. In isosceles triangle, I've already told you the angles of the equal sides are equal, and in equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal, and the measure of each angle is 60 degrees. Now, before I move on further, I would like to state the property, and you must be remembering, you have already studied about it. The sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This will be covering under the properties of triangle, but still I am explaining. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Since all the three sides are equal, therefore all the three angles are equal. Why? Because I have told you the property, the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. When all three sides are equal, the angle opposite the three sides will be also equal, and therefore if you divide 180 by 3, you get 60 degrees. The measure of each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now, in a right angle triangle, suppose triangle PQR is right angle at Q. This is 90 degrees. So the side opposite the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. The side opposite the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. Now, this is about the triangle, the types of triangles, and the properties. Some properties I've covered over here. Now we move on to the terms related to the triangle.